Welcome to the MoonLens Fast Fit Tutorial 2, which is on approaching the fit and essential data collection. My name is Randy Kojima. This video has been sponsored by the CAT Design Group and your authorized MoonLens distributor. What information do we need to acquire to create a successful MoonLens outcome and a high first fit success rate? The MoonLens requires a few pieces of patient data, which are generally easy to collect. This patient and topography information will be used by the fitting software to construct a completely customized lens in base curve, tear layer shape and depth, optic zone size, diameter, sagittal depth, alignment zone shape, edge lift, and toricity. The key to first fit success in the MoonLens and any ortho-K lens is quality topography. The better the map, the more accurate the initial outcome. Time invested in acquiring ideal pre-fitting topographies will avoid poor results and wasted chair time. Of course, any contact lens starts with the eye health check and the collection of the refraction. Taking a measurement of the visible iris diameter is important to ensure the correct diameter of lens is selected. The MoonLens uses a standard 10.6 mm diameter for most eyes, but unusually large or small corneas will benefit from a customized lens size and will avoid complications. From your corneal topographer, collect the apical radius of the eye along the flat and steep meridian. This is not the keratometry reading, but rather the curvature of the cornea at the apex. Many corneal topographers display this value as RO, or the radius at zero distance from center. Next, collect the eccentricity of the eye along the flat and steep meridian to an 8 mm chord diameter of measure. The eccentricity, along with the apical radius, determines the depth of lens, the toricity, the alignment zone shape, and the edge lift. These important topographical values make possible the high level of customization in the MoonLens. Many topographers can automate the acquisition of this data. In this case, some simple adjustments to the Medmont topographer settings place the necessary MoonLens data on the main analysis window. Your topography supplier may be able to assist with the path to acquire this information from your instrument. And certainly, your MoonLens distributor is here to help. With our refractive and topographical data collected, we are ready to calculate the custom MoonLens parameters for the patient. One of the unique features of the MoonLens is the ability to calculate a customized optic zone for each patient based on the age and the RX. This allows you to provide optics specific for the visual needs of the patient. With the spherical component of the RX, determine the optic zone size relative to the age of patient. In this example, a young candidate had a -3 diopter RX and therefore would require a 5.5 mm optic zone. From the entered data, the calculator will determine all the parameters required for your distributor to build the custom MoonLenses. At times, quality topography capture can be difficult to achieve with specific patients. In the absence of maps you trust, K-readings can be used. However, where possible, employ topography data, as K-readings cannot provide the same level of parameter customization. In cases where it's necessary to use keratometry values, enter the flat and steep K and click on Use K-readings without eccentricity. From the patient's corneal curvature, the software will estimate the eccentricity based on large-scale shape data studies. Along with the RX and some easily acquired topography findings, which most instruments can provide, the MoonLens calculator can construct a highly customized lens for your patients. Your MoonLens distributor is here to assist with training on the MoonLens calculator or to build the lenses for you. Reach out to your consultant for assistance. Thank you for your interest in the MoonLens.